Hi there, Penny Johnson, your instructor for the Outlook Summer course. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to connect to the virtual desktop when you're away from campus. This is a bit of a tricky procedure, so be ready to watch the whole video. And you might want to have like a piece of paper and a pencil handy so you can take notes while we move along. So you can see on my screen, I've already got my web browser running. In this instance, I'm using my MacBook, so the web browser I'm running is Safari. You can use Google Chrome or whatever you want, and I've already logged in to our course's Blackboard site. At the left, I'm going to go ahead and click on Assignments. From the Assignment section, then I'm going to click the first folder which says Setting Up the Multi-Factor Authentication. That's a big long name, and really what it means is, in addition to logging in, the system wants another factor for you to authenticate that you are who you say you are. And the reason that you not only have to log in, but that you also have to set up another way to verify or authenticate that you are who you say you are is because the college just has so much trouble with spam and phishing and other forms of malicious attacks via our email system. It's nonstop, thousands of attacks every day, all day. So they have this extra layer of protection. It not only protects the college, but it protects you as a user as well. So let's go ahead and do this. There's no other way around it. Let's get started. I'm going to click on Setting Up the Multi-Factor Authentication. Okay, you can read all of the information in this PDF. It steps you through this process as well. So the first thing we have to do is set up how are you going to receive that second form of authentication. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my phone to receive a text message. There's other ways to do it, but that's one of the easiest ways. Okay, and then I just want to show you something here as well. This information, all of this information in the PDF is available from the library. It actually was given to us by the library. So from the college's homepage, you could just click Libraries and then search for virtual desktop, and it'll give you all of the information you need, including, if I scroll down, here's how to go through the multi-factor authentication, which has to be done when you're away from campus. Okay, so you have to do that first, and then you can log into the virtual desktop. So I'm going to go back to setting up my multi-factor authentication. I'm going to open up this PDF. And here's the information to help step you through it. So what you have to do is download the app, download this Microsoft Authenticator app. So you download that. I'm going to download it to my phone, and then I'm going to open that app and allow it to send me a text message. Then every time I attempt to log in, I'm going to get a little code on my phone, just as a text message. I'm going to get a little code that I also have to enter in addition to logging in to say, hey, this is me. And then it'll allow that login procedure to happen. So follow the steps here in the PDF. If you lose this PDF or if you can't find it, it's also available via the library's website. And I just want to show you one more thing. So I'm going to go back to Blackboard here. If I choose not to do this multi-factor authentication and I just say to heck with it, I want to log in to my virtual desktop. So I'm going to go to the virtual desktop and I attempt to log in. So I've already memorized my login information. So I'm going to enter all the information, which I know is correct. I log in all the time at campus. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and it's going to tell me access denied. So you have to, and the reason it says access denied is because I have not set up that multi-factor authentication. I haven't set up that text message to come to my phone. So it will not let you in without it. You have to do that part first. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get my phone all set up, and then we're going to come back and see what it looks like when we're ready to log in.